Hello and welcome to Sreeramula Smart Hub. Today we are going to learn a very easy and powerful speed maths trick. That is, how to multiply any number by 11 in just seconds. No long multiplication, no tension. Let's start. First, understand this golden rule. To multiply any number by 11, we add neighboring digits. Remember 3 steps. Step 1. Write the last digit as it is. Step 2. Add neighbor digits and write the sum. Step 3. Write the first digit. If the sum is more than 9, carry forward. Let us start with a 2-digit number. Example, 23 multiplied by 11. 23. First digit is 2. Last digit is 3. Now add them. 2 plus 3 equals 5. So the answer becomes 2, 5, 3. That is 253. So 23 into 11 equals 253. Now let us take another example with carry. Example, 67 multiplied by 11. 6 plus 7 equals 13. Write 3, carry 1. Now add carry to first digit. 6 plus 1 equals 7. So the answer is 737. 67 into 11 equals 737. Now let us try a 3-digit number. Example, 234 multiplied by 11. Digits are 2, 3, 4. Write first digit 2. Add 2 plus 3 equals 5. Add 3 plus 4 equals 7. Write last digit 4. So the answer is 2574. That is 2574. 3-digit with carry. Now one more example with carry. Example, 589 multiplied by 11. Start from the right side. 8 plus 9 equals 17. Write 7, carry 1. 5 plus 8 equals 13, plus 1 equals 14. Write 4, carry 1. Now first digit, 5 plus 1 equals 6. So the answer is 6479. That is 6479. Example 3 to 4-digit number. Now let us try a 4-digit number. Example, 1234 multiplied by 11. Digits are 1, 2, 3, 4. Write 1. 1 plus 2 equals 3. 2 plus 3 equals 5. 3 plus 4 equals 7. Write 4. So the answer is 13574. That is 13,574. 4-digit with carry. Let us see one more example with carry. Example, 6,789 multiplied by 11. Start from right side. 8 plus 9 equals 17. Write 7, carry 1. 7 plus 8 equals 15, plus 1 equals 16. Write 6, carry 1. 6 plus 7 equals 13, plus 1 equals 14. Write 4, carry 1. First digit, 6 plus 1 equals 7. So the answer is 74679. That is 74,679. Quick recap. So remember that multiply by 11 means add neighbor digits, handle carry carefully, and write answer from right to left. With practice, you can do this mentally in seconds. Practice and outro. Now it's your turn. Try these mentally. 34 into 11. 507 into 11. 2468 into 11. Write your answers in the comments. If you found this trick useful, like the video, share with friends, and subscribe to Sreeramula Smart Hub. See you in the next Speed Maths lesson. Thank you.